You know, we do have this image of you want to make a change and so you fight. What does fight look like? Well, it looks like strength. What does strength look like? Well, it looks like confidence. What does confidence look like? Well, it looks like certainty. What does certainty do? It makes it hard to communicate with people who disagree. What does that do? It makes it hard for persuasion to be effective beyond coercion. What does that do? It makes it hard for ideas to cross barriers between people who already agree. And so when I look around, I see a fragmented society that is losing its ability to speak to each other the good ideas and the experiences that ought to be shared and understood across so many barriers. When it comes to disagreement about facts, or rather anything that we feel is just irrefutable, we get stuck. We don't know where to go to from there. What happens next is often rage, shouting, insistence. You know, how could you, especially if you have a relationship, how could my own mother think, blah, right? It's the expectations in our family relationships that make this so tough. The expectations we have of each other beyond strangers. But the conversation about what is true is not the only conversation we can be having. Maybe the most important question is a question you ask yourself, especially when you are tempted by making a judgment of the other person that leads you to a certainty that there's nothing more you have to learn. And that question is, what am I missing? What am I missing? That question is probably the most important question to ask in dangerously divided times. You will be tempted to think you're missing nothing. And that question has an assumption embedded in it. And the assumption is that, yes, you are missing something. There's something in this other person's concerns. There is something in how they arrived at their perspective that you don't have to agree with, but could make more sense and could illuminate the path to better understanding and hopefully to something that is better than the brokenness and the blindness. It could help us see and build a world that sees itself.